Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over the optional module titled Cloud Storage. With Cloud Storage, you can link up documents from an external storage site such as OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive, or other on eIMMIGRATION. By linking these cloud storage sites, you can have all uploaded documents in your personal storage site, but yet have them easily accessible on client and case profiles. Now, in order to have this capability, you must have the optional module titled Cloud Storage. Let us log into the Caseworker portal. From within the Caseworker portal, you will want to access a client profile or a case profile. For this example, let us go into a client profile. Once inside the client profile, go to the Documents tab on the right and click on it. More selections will appear consisting of passports, I-94s, visas, user-defined, and other. Let us pick one such as passports. From here, you can either go to an already created passport or add a brand new passport. Once you have manually typed the information, you will see the option for file location. When clicked, multiple options will appear. The first is this computer or network, which will upload documents onto eIMMIGRATION from your desktop. This comes standard with all plans. If you want to use cloud storage effectively, you will want to avoid this option. You will rather locate your external cloud storage site, whether it be OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, or inserting an external URL. By selecting one of these options, such as Google Drive, a pop-up will appear taking you to sign into your Google Drive. If a pop-up did not appear, you will click on the blue box to the right to prompt the pop-up. Once the pop-up box appears and you are signed in, you are now inside your Google Drive or whichever option you selected. You will now either select an image file or upload a brand new document through here. Once you've made your selection and click Select, you will be brought back to finalize updating the passport. Click Save and Close and you will see your uploaded passport information. Whenever you need to access the image file, you will go to the client's profile, go to where the document is located, and click on the clickable link. A new tab will open taking you directly to your document in Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or other. This functionality of uploading and linking through an external cloud storage works in various parts of the software where uploading a document is an option. It allows you to quickly access a document and saves you in storage as those sites are consuming the size of the file. This concludes our video on the optional module, Cloud Storage.
Hit the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out and be informed of new features like this one. Thank you for watching.